we have in red MIT Art Design Technology University, and in blue we have Kumar Garu College of Technology, Coimbatore.
Abhigyan. So this has been.
I hope सिर्फ आपका ले रहे हैं, मेरा नहीं ले रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे don't take me please. I am like sitting like this. Please don't. And I'm prepared, sir. Just take him. मुझे सोलो का कोई शौक नहीं, कर ले लेंगे सोलो यार, कहाँ जा रहे हैं, कोई है तो नहीं। I'm pretty chill in life.
So this is the match we all had been waiting for, because this is a very, very crucial juncture of this entire tournament. MIT Art, Design and Technological University was only managing 20 points in their earlier match, and so did Kumar Guru College of Technology, only 70 points. They were up against actually nobody, because their team did not report, Sakshi. So they could have made the most of that occasion. Unfortunately, they only managed 20 and 70 points respectively, but luckily they've got another go, and now they are up against each other. Let's see if they can better their score and move up in the points tally here. It's a great, great opportunity for them, because From there onwards, the picture will get a little more clear. We are only 5 or 6 matches away from the final score, final total tally into this entire tournament, and the league matches will be over. After that, we'll have a clearer picture who will be placed in the quarterfinals.
True, you're very right over here, Akshay. As a matter of fact, if I were to look at how things are going right now, the blue team is off to a very good start. The red team, on the other hand, which is MIT Art, is struggling to get their robot to work efficiently. And of course, the blue team is capitalizing on that opportunity pretty well, taking off that necessary initial pickup that is required for a team to get the momentum and the boost going. And so far, I've also been able to plant 7 of their seedlings into the right positions and spots. And that is all that matters at the end of the day, because they've got that start, they've got the kick that they needed, and if they can carry on this momentum, then they would have taken such a huge victory leap far ahead from the red team that even if the red team were to bounce back later in the match, they will never be able to cover the gap. And as we notice, the time also says on the clock 1 minute and 15 seconds are remaining right now only, Akshay.
Absolutely. I think as we've been talking about consistently, these the area number 1 where they can plant those saplings successfully and accumulate as many points as possible. So all we can say safely is that Kumar Guru College of Technology is definitely above their last scoring, which was only 70. From here onwards, I think they should be having at least 100 plus points in their kitty. And we'll find out in a short while. Only 45 seconds remaining in this interesting contest. A very, very important juncture as far as the league stages are concerned, because most of the teams have played out their league matches. Only 5 matches remaining after this in the day, and from there on it will be quite clear. Last 15 seconds remaining in this match. We had 42 matches lined up for the day. The remaining 4 matches will be completed tomorrow. And a very hectic schedule, but what fun we are having here at the Thiagra Stadium in the national capital. The 23rd edition of TD Robocon is getting only bigger and better with every passing match. As Sakshi and I were talking about that, how important it is for MIT Art Design and Technological University, since they only managed only 20 points in their last match. But Kumar Guru College have done well for themselves. Even the picture tells you the way their seedlings are placed in the plantation zone. Check it out in the replay and how it panned out for Team Blue, Kumar Guru College of Technology. How smoothly and with great precision. I really like the fact that they did not really go all guns blazing, picking up all the saplings in one go. Their design is very basic and very attractive and very, very basic. I think it's good to keep things simple. It not only saves time, but it kind of prevents you from over-exuberance as well. Sometimes these simple steps can actually do wonders as far as the entire flow of this problem statement is concerned. That's what we have experienced in the last 30-odd matches.
Yes, given how things have been, we should be able to. But for now, what looks like is the fact that at the end of the day, very, very clearly, we definitely have Kumar Guru College of Technology looking at a victory in the name, and we shall be waiting for the referee to come out with the results very shortly, and hopefully this should go in the favor, of Kumar Guru College of Technology.
Check. So match 37, results are MIT Art Design and Technology University have scored 10 points. Kumaraguru College of Technology have scored 120 points. So next, instead of match number 38, we'll have 39. There is a small swap. 39 will be between Team Red, St. Francis Institute of Technology.